The angry click. Have you ever seen a post that was so wrong, so offensive, or so stupid that you just had to comment? You knew it was a trap, but you couldn't help yourself. In 2026, the USA is trapped in a rage economy. Algorithms have learned that outrage generates 5 times more engagement than joy. We are being fed content specifically designed to make us angry, because an angry brain is an addicted brain. Today, we're decoding the neuroscience of rage baiting and why your brain is choosing conflict over peace. The amygdala hijack and moral superiority. When you see something that makes you angry, your amygdala triggers an immediate fight-or-flight response. But there's a twist. When you call out someone online or correct their wrong opinion, your brain's reward center, the ventral striatum, releases a massive hit of dopamine. This is the psychology of moral superiority. It feels good to be right, and it feels even better to tell someone else they are wrong. You aren't discussing, you are hunting for a biological high. In 2026, we are addicted to the rush of being offended, the cortisol hangover, and chronic stress. The problem with the rage economy is the cortisol hangover. Every time you engage with rage bait, your body floods with stress hormones. In the short term, you feel energized. In the long term, your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for logical thinking, begins to shrink. This leads to affective polarization. We stop seeing people as humans and start seeing them as enemies. In 2026, Americans are suffering from chronic mental inflammation. We are so busy fighting digital shadows that our nervous systems are never actually at rest. The engagement trap and neuroplasticity. The more you click on things that make you angry, the more you train your neuroplasticity to seek anger. Your brain becomes efficient at being outraged. This is why in 2026, people find themselves doom scrolling, looking for something to be mad at. You are physically rewiring your brain to be in a state of constant conflict. We are losing our ability to experience awe and curiosity because our rage pathways have become so dominant. We are trading our intelligence for outrage, and the algorithm is laughing all the way to the bank. The power of the scroll by, the ultimate act of rebellion in 2026, is indifference. The algorithm can handle your hate, your comments, and your shares, but it cannot handle being ignored. When you see rage bait, the most powerful thing you can do for your brain is to keep scrolling. Don't give them your attention. Don't give them your peace. Reclaim your dopamine for things that actually build your life. If you're ready to break the rage loop and protect your mental energy, hit that subscribe button and join our community of the unshakable minds.